Hi everyone, I'm excited to show you this natural diamond that we just purchased to put into a custom ring designed for Lauren B. It's a 7 carat natural diamond J color VVS1 cushion cut. Now obviously the clarity is top notch at VVS1, also the 7 carat size is very rare in natural diamonds, and it's also a J color. Some people may think a J color has a little bit of warmth to it, which it may, but in this case with a cushion brilliance style that we have cutting of the stone, even though it's a J color as graded by the GIA, it faces up to be like a G or H color, and that's due to how the stone is cut, which is very important. It's a cushion brilliance style stone, which means the facets underneath extend straight from the bottom tip of the stone to the edge of the girdle. So what does that mean? It gives you a larger face-up appearance because there's less hidden weight underneath. It also gives you larger, crisp flashes of sparkle as opposed to a crushed ice, watery look. Also, this stone is elongated, has a beautiful 1.15 to 1 ratio. It measures approximately 12 by 10 millimeters, so it's going to give you excellent finger coverage. Now the best part, it's $80,000. Yes, that's a lot of money, but we're talking about a 7 carat natural diamond with all these specifications added up. It's a deal that you cannot beat. That is why we pick these kind of stones for our stock, either loose or mounted into a custom ring, which we're going to do here. And it gives you incredible value and something that you really cannot replace down the line. So we're going to take you on the journey from this diamond being cut and polished all the way to it being ended up in our showcase, and how it gets there in between, from production and quality control, ensuring that it's a perfect custom ring at the end with a beautiful natural center diamond. So let's continue to the next step. Let's take a look at how this diamond formed. So as you can see, after millions of years under the Earth's surface, we're able to extract an 18 karat rough diamond. From there, we plan the shape of the stone that will best maximize the rough. And here we plan a cushion cut. It's then lasered to give its basic shape, which you can see here. And it still has rough blemishes on the side. Finally, we continue to polish it down, giving it a more defined appearance and creating all the angles and facets. After that, we do another polish and we end up with near the finished product with exact angles and precise measurements to give it a beautiful cut and sparkle. And from 18 carats, we're now down to a 7 carat beautiful cushion cut diamond, J color VVS1. So now we're up to the ring design for this beautiful center stone we've been talking about, and we're going to go with our hidden halo style, which is 2 rows of pave diamonds underneath the center stone, not visible from the top view. So aside from that, we also have it sitting very low on the hand. As you can see here, the Q-lid of the diamond is touching the base of the ring. And we want to allow some space for a wedding band to sit flush with it, which is an important aspect to consider for the future. Also here, we have a pave band, standard style, 2 millimeters. So it's going to look delicate at the top with a big center stone on the top. And then we have claw prongs holding the stone in place. So that's kind of the overall design that we're going to work with. We're going to pass it off to our production team and they're going to make it come to life. So we just got the ring back from production and it looks amazing. We'll show you a quick sneak peek right here for the camera. But now just to make sure everything is 100%, we're gonna take it to quality control. They can check it and then we can move on to the next steps.
The main things that we do for quality control is cross-reference the actual piece to what the work order says and what the CAD and reference photos say. And we go through our checklists, checking not only the inscription on the stone to make sure that matches, and this is match. We also make sure that the design matches what the photos are and that the center stone and prongs are all nice and tight and even.
Now that everything checks out, let's get this ring ready for the website and then into our showcase for everyone to see.